beautiful Bellas. Welcome back to Brown Girl Bella, where we bring you lips, lashes, and luxury. So today is another series in my Brown Girl Bella Scopes series for horoscopes. This time I'm focusing on those tenacious Taurus. So if that is you, happy birthday. The Taurus sign begins on April 20th and runs to May 20th. So this is an earth sign. As I said, the colors are fresh green and pink. Thank you, Google, for that. And some of the traits of a Taurus, which is an earth sign, like I said, like Virgo, hey. Some of the traits are that you're reliable, you're patient, you're practical, you're devoted, you're responsible, and stable. Some of their weaknesses are that they're stubborn, possessive, uncompromising, and stubborn. Did I mention stubborn? Those tenacious Taurus. They do like great music, romance, high quality clothes and makeup. And also they don't like complications, insecurities of any kind, and anything that is not of the highest quality. So as I said, the Taurus is practical and very well grounded. It is the sign that really harvests the fruits of their labor. So they're really into enjoying the fruits of their labor. So they have great homes. Usually they have very nice cars. They like the finer things in life. They love to be surrounded by beauty and love. And they are very stable and conservative, and they're one of the most practical signs of the zodiac, next to Virgo, that is. Hey. But they do like to endure and stick to their choices until they reach the point of personal satisfaction. So that's why I call them tenacious, because they really stick to whatever it is they're doing, and they don't stop until their goal is met. So since we wanted to do a fresh green look, I did use a couple of new things that I wanted to highlight. For my lid color, on the very top, I used by Space Case Cosmetics. This is Messy Loch Nessie, which is a fabulous green color. I got this in an Ipsy haul, I think last month's Ipsy grab bag. I used that for my lid, and then underneath this, and as well as the lid color, I did use from BH Cosmetics, and it's my Ray Ray. I used her palette. This is her part 2 with BH Cosmetics. And in here, oops. In here I used Brick and Bark from the top row, and then I used Flare from the bottom row. So this is the look. On the lashes, I'm using Boudoir by Kiss, and the lipstick is Viva Glam with MAC. This is the Taraji P. Henson one, and this is her pink that she used. I think this came out last year. So that is the look. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up. Really helps me out a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to subscribe as well. And when you do, tap that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload. If you're a Taurus, shout me out in the comment section below. Make sure that you give me your month and date of your birthday. I am giving a surprise to one of my lucky subscribers. I pick one for each Bella Scope that I'm doing, and I send you out just a special birthday gift from me to you. Until we meet again, guys, this is Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. Deuces.